To offset entity in SolidWorks, first we have our sketch. So okay, let's say we have this side defined to be 100, down the other side also 100 square. So equal relationship to the lines. So no line is being selected. Offset entity. So what do you want to offset entity? You have to offset this. So now I want to offset this cube, and this is the preview of the offset. Yeah, I can divide the distance here. Let's say I want to change it to 5. You see it's coming closer, or increase it 20 being wide. So let's just change it to 5. And this I'm going to reverse the direction so that it can come inside the sketch. So if I click OK, this add dimension, by checking it, the dimension will be added, and this auto sketch select chain. So if I want to have my if I want to convert the if I want to offset this sketch both inward and outside outward, I have to use by direction. So doing so, I have my sketch being formed outside and inward of this and inside of this main sketch. So the base geometry, which is this, I can make the base geometry to be a construction line, and make the offset geometry to be a construction line by clicking this by checking these options. So I'm going to check them first, and then I will demonstrate them using another offset. You can see once I selected by direction, reverse direction is no longer functioning because we have it at both sides of the base geometry. So if I uncheck it, you have it. You can now change the option here. If I click, you see it is no longer valid. You can't use it again. So now I've clicked. So the option add dimension added this 5 mm. That's the dimension of the offset. So let me undo it, and then uh, I'm going to offset again and change some option. I used by direction the other time. I'm going to use just one direction. So this is different, just one direction. Or let me just let me okay offset. Let me click this. It's inside. I don't need to reverse. Okay. So I want to convert this geometry to construction line, and you see the difference. You see that our base geometry now is converted towards construction line. So I can convert also my offset geometry. So uncheck this to construction line, and then I don't want to add dimension like before. So we don't have dimension anywhere around there, and our offset geometry now is a construction line. So that's how to use offset entity in SolidWorks. These two options can be used also uh, adding arc or lines to your offset. So to do that, I think I need I mean let me trim this side, see if it's going to work. So there's no need to trim this because it's a construction line, but I just want it to be neat. So now I want to offset just this line. You can see because it is too wide, that's why it is not visible. So I'm going to make distance wide also. So I'm going to select 50. So I'm not making it a construction line. See, Now I can add cap to this. You can see this is it. This is the cap here. So I can use it as the cap can be arc. It is arc, just like we want to draw slots, and we can use line instead. You see it's been added to this side and this side. So if I use bi-direction, it will cap the two directions, and I can use my base geometry as can use my base geometry. I can change it to construction line. So now this is what we have. So I can just, if I want to add dimension, just that I'm going to click this box and check it. So now I have my dimension here, which is 50 mm away from the base geometry. So that's how to use offset entity in SolidWorks.